Turns out the sea holds one of the greatest health secrets. This amazing natural product is packed with health benefits that can transform your well-being. First up, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it provides essential nutrients that your body needs. Next, it supports thyroid health. This wonder food contains iodine, crucial for maintaining healthy thyroid function and regulating metabolism. Third, it boosts your immune system. Its high content of vitamin C and E, along with other antioxidants, helps strengthen your immune defenses. Fourth, it aids in weight management. This superfood is low in calories but high in fiber, making you feel fuller for longer. Lastly, it improves gut health. The fiber acts as a prebiotic, promoting beneficial gut bacteria and enhancing digestion. What is this incredible product? It's seaweed. Incorporate it into salads, soups, or smoothies, or enjoy it as a crunchy snack. Try seaweed today and start reaping the benefits of this oceanic treasure.